गुज़िश्ता रोज़ मैरियट होटल में पाकिस्तानी बच्चों की एक बड़ी तादाद ने तुर्की की तालीमी यूनिवर्सिटियों की जानिब से उनके मुख्तलिफ तालीमी प्रोग्रामों में गहरी दिलचस्पी ली। इस एजुकेशन एक्सपो को पाक-तुर्क माफिर के रूए रवां मोहम्मद शाकिर ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। मजीद जानिए सरदार जहीर की इस रिपोर्ट में मरकज टीवी यूएसए इस्लामाबाद से।
This is Sardar Zahir. What do you say about the education system here in Pakistan and Turkish? Is there any difference between them? Here is a lot of universities offering their programs. What is the benefit for the Pakistani student from the Turkish universities? You know, the Pakistan is a poor country, and if a student, if he need to grow in education,
the Turkish universities, they are here. Lots of Pakistani students, they cannot afford to go to Turkey and see what kind of universities they are having. So we are bringing all the universities over here, and the students will see like what kind of universities they are. And when it comes to finance the education, we are one of the most generous funding organization in Pakistan. Every year we send 200 plus students to Turkey on fully funded and partially funded scholarships. And these scholarships, they are totally based on merit. We do not see the financial background, rather we see the academic performance of the students. So any student from any financial background, if his or her academic progress is fine, their social profiles are fine, they can take advantage of these scholarships. And during the last 4 years, we have sent almost 600 students to Turkey, and we have given millions of scholarships to lots of Pakistani students.
Pakistan, it is the main aim of grow the education or grow the business.
All other organizations who are conducting expos in Pakistan, they are business entities, but this is not a business organization. It's a governmental organization. We do not have any financial interest in this country. We are not taking any money out of Pakistan. So it's a purely governmental organization which only focuses on the learning and development of the students. We are providing millions of scholarships to the students. We are not interested in their fee. Rather, we are interested to make them responsible citizens of the country and are responsible citizens of the globe as well.
Thank you very much.
हमारे साथ सफदर आलम साहब हैं। सफदर आलम साहब, आप एक्सपो में मौजूद हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, यहाँ पे बड़ा एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है। जब से हम यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, बच्चों के लिए यहाँ पे कोई 13 डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज के यहाँ पे लोग आए हैं और ये स्कॉलरशिप के हवाले से इनके साथ ये सारी बातें ये शेयर कर रहे हैं, जिनमें यहाँ पे ये फुली फंडेड और 50% स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह ऑफर कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी के हवाले से और यहाँ पे लोग के हवाले से डिफरेंट तुर्किश लैंग्वेज वगैरह के बारे में भी ये सब कुछ बता रहे हैं और ये सारा होना चाहिए।
क्या कहेंगे, आप यहाँ आई हुई हैं, क्या आपने सीखा, आपको क्या यहाँ अच्छा लगा?
We came here for undergraduate program, psychology, and there were many university representatives over here, and they were giving out brochures regarding their programs, and they were also discussing the scholarships they were offering, and they were guiding the students about the visa process, the application process, and we got a lot of help from them, and we got a lot of help.
There should be more.
Yeah, there should be many more expos and for all the different countries, because counselors can only help us up to some extent. But when we sit down and talk to the university representatives, it's actually a lot more.
Okay, very kind. Thank you.
So what do you say about our Pakistani education?
Also educated country. We can division between us and also compare with knowledge. So,
Now, which program you are offering? Education program?
Every. Our university is founded 1999. Is the first foundation university rather than the government state university. And also we have a online engineer, business, medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, everything.
If all categories a person gets.
And also now in our university, 145 students, Pakistan students is here.
Okay.
Our university, 25,000 students from all countries, African, Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Iran, and also up to now 49,000.
May I have only one last question? If a student gets education from the Turkish university, and after his completion of education, has he got any job or any PR in Turkey?
Yes. And also we have a career center. When you graduate from the university, we arrange the job. And also when you look at the link, career center is very important, very cooperation the business. We can find many job all students. Thank you, my brothers.
हमारे साथ जी उमर फारूक साहब मौजूद थे। इन्होंने कहा कि हम यहाँ पे एजुकेशन सिस्टम के साथ साथ अगर कोई बंदा एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करता है तो उसको वहाँ पे ये जॉब भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। जी, सरदार जहीर, मरकज टीवी, यूएसए, इस्लामाबाद। Sudha, you are most welcome here in Pakistan.
Thank you so much.
Sudha, you are representing Izmir University.
Of economics, right?
What they are offering for the Pakistani students?
Yes, we offer in 8 different faculties education, and it is all in English except for health sciences and faculty of law. We have engineering faculty, communication, we have business, we have arts and science, faculty of fine arts and science, and medicine and law.
Okay. You know the Pakistan is a poor country. If a student need to go in a Turkish, what kind of facility you are offering as a student to the Pakistani students?
Okay, we offer the scholarship opportunities to the students as well. If they apply with their HSSC results, with their A-level results, with their SAT results, according to their, scores, they can get 25% or 50% scholarship according to that. Also, they can get academic merit scholarships after they begin their studies in our university.
What kind of percentage you set for the students in marks in general subjects here in Pakistan? Can you get education? Can you get admission in a Turkish university? Or can he get a scholarship from the Turkish university or not?
We require 60% success rate amount to be accepted to the programs. But for the, scholarships, they have to at least have 65% or 70% of success rate in their HSSC.
What do you say about the Pakistani students? Are they taking interest for the admission in Turkish universities?
Yeah, they do. Actually, our booth was visited many times by many students today. So they're actually wondering how can they enroll to our universities.
Total Engine, you're most welcome here in Pakistan.
Thank you very much.
You know that there's a lot of students here.
Right.
Those who are very much interested to get education from the Turkey. It shows the gathering of the students that they are willing to get education from the Turkey.
Right.
You have an office here in Pakistan.
Right.
You are providing consultancy education. Also in a traveling?
Right. Travel service also.
Tell me something about yourself, please.
Thank you very much. My name is Engin Topal and I am from Turkey. We are operating here since 2013. We are a travel agency and consultancy company. For today we are here for the Pak-Turk Maarif schools are arranging this exhibition, and we are very thankful for this kind of support. Because once the universities came here, the students are going to get an admission. After admission, there is one other important step for the visa. We are guiding them how to get the visa. We are giving the visa consultancy. After visa consultancy, they required some Google certificate and some translation documents. We are guiding the students about that purpose also. After international flight tickets, once they are arrived to Istanbul, airport transfers to their campus or their accreditation, and we are arranging accommodation as well.
You are arranging the accommodation, which is a very important for the students.
Yes, that's
those
true.
are going abroad for the education. They have a very big problem for the living. How can he live? And
according to their university, we are trying to arrange for them hostel. If it is the government, public universities are already providing hostel also for them, and we are also helping about their hostel as well. And another step, when they arrive to Turkey, they are going from here 3 months study visa. After reach to Turkey, they should apply their residence permit also. Because this the study visa, which study visa they are going to get here, it is valid for only 3 months. Within 3 months, they must reach to Istanbul, Turkey, any city, and which is the nearest immigration department. They must apply their study residence permit. If the students want these services, we are providing these services also to
Okay. One thing is a very main thing which is facing the Pakistani student. The Pakistan is a poor country. And the education system here in Pakistan is a very poor. Especially here is providers are not providing the education, but they are doing their business. Turkish education system is the same like a Pakistan, or it is a better than a Pakistan?
Actually, I can say the private universities, private schools are almost, yes, one side they are giving education and one side, of course, they are, it is a business as well. But in Turkey is mostly everything's under the control of Ministry of Education. So all private universities or public universities, they are under the same standard and they are continue only on the Turkish system. And accordingly, they have followed the rules. For that reason, Turkish private or public universities are more, I can say it is a level and very good condition.
Okay. If a student get his master from the
Yes.
Turkish university, after the master, how much time he required for the PR?
Uh, Actually, first of all, once they are going to get an admission on the master, in here visa process.
If he done his master
If it done
His master
done
in Turkey, from the Turkish
yes,
university,
yes.
can he get the PR for Turkey?
Actually, when during the master, they are already getting every year 1 year valid multiple residence permit.
Okay.
If they want continuous stay living over there, they should, according to Turkish rules, they should apply the immigration and they should extend their
Within 2 years, he can get PR.
Actually, nationality is different. Residence permit is different.
Okay.
For the residence permit, during the stay in Turkey, every year easily they can renew.
Okay. And if we
They want
need
to
a permanent residence, then
permanent residence. It is a there's some rules. Who can get a Turkish nationality? There's some criteria about that also. Which is the people are making like a 450,000 US dollar investment, and they can apply eligible to apply Turkish national, and within 6 months approximately,
6 months.
it's taking to nationality process.
कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ के एक्सपो में?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। यहाँ पर 14 डिफरेंट टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज आई हुई हैं जो कि हमें अपनी यूनिवर्सिटीज के बारे में बता रही हैं। उनकी स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं यहाँ पे, 100% स्कॉलरशिप वो लोग देते हैं पाक-तुर्क मारिफ के स्टूडेंट्स को भी और भी स्टूडेंट्स को भी बाहर। तो हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा, क्योंकि अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं मेडिकल में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मुझे मेडिकल अपना बाहर से करना है, तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज मेडिकल को बहुत अच्छा।
तो क्या ये जो यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं कुछ अच्छा ऑफर कर रही हैं जो पाकिस्तान में मौजूद है यूनिवर्सिटी, क्या इनमें क्या फर्क है?
जी यस ऑफ कोर्स, जिनको एक्सपोजर अच्छा लगता है उनके लिए भी बेस्ट है, और ट्रैवलिंग एज वेल एज बिल्कुल बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होता है बाहर मुल्क जाकर। आप लोग बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हैं और जो चीजें जैसी फैसिलिटीज शायद पाकिस्तान में सपोर्ट नहीं की जाती हैं, वो टर्किश यहाँ की टर्किश यूनिवर्सिटीज हमें मौका दे रही है कि हम बाहर जाएं और वहाँ जाकर ये सारी फैसिलिटीज हासिल करें। और पढ़ेगा पाकिस्तान तभी बढ़ेगा पाकिस्तान, तो इसलिए हम सारे यहाँ पर आए।
हमारे साथ स्टूडेंट थे, ये बता रहे थे कि पढ़ेगा पाकिस्तान तभी बढ़ेगा पाकिस्तान। थैंक यू बेटा।
Mr. Mustafa Kamal, this is Sardar here from Pakistani USA from. What do you say about the Pakistani education and Turkish education? I want to say there were quite differences between the two universities. However, I'm so happy with Pakistani students at my university. They are the most brilliant students. The Pakistani education.
We are here in Marriott, which is organized by Pak-Turk Maarif. If a person complete his education from the University of Istanbul backend, can he get a job?
We can give them opportunity.
If he complete his education in a medicine,
Yeah.
if he complete his MBBS from the University of Istanbul backend, then
you're offering also a job to the students?
Not a job. We can make fair so the other companies can offer a job.
You are also fully funded courses offered to the Pakistani students.
Yes, exactly. Every year we are offering full fund scholarships. Also in the computer science, we are offering full fund scholarship in the PhD. Also fully covered scholarships. Also in the bachelor degree we have. So students have choice to study in bachelor degree, master degree or PhD with full fund scholarships.
And your bachelor degree duration is?
Yes, 4-year bachelor degree, but in the some programs, for example, if you choose software engineering, we have Turkish and English language at the same time. Why we are doing this? Because many international students, after their graduation, they also want to work in Istanbul. So it is very a special thing in our university. When you study software engineering, when you graduate, in your diploma it will be written Turkish and English. So whether you go Europe and return to your country, you will have chance to continue your education in Pakistan, in Europe or Turkey, and also you can work in both countries.
Okay. And your master program for 2 year, 1 year?
Our master program is 2 years.
2 year program. What's your requirement for a student to get admission in your university?
If students want to get fully funded scholarship, we are looking for SAT or US exam. And when they provide the whole information to our website, also we are looking for the essay, motivation letter. And when we all evaluate that, and after that we are offering our scholarship. And it is free to apply our university. And in 3 days, we are offering our official letter with the student.
You have any subject for like artificial intelligence?
We have computer engineering and software engineering. Also, in the near future, we have planned to open a new program for different countries. And one nation is Pakistani. They are famous with our university because we have nearly 90 students from Pakistan. For example, every year we are doing International Day, and they are offered in the stall biryani and other food to Turkish and other nations. So we are happy to have that in our countries. Also in this way, we are seeing that they are very interested in not just our university, but studying in Turkish university, which is very exciting to us.
You mean to say you got a good response from the Pakistani student?
Yes, exactly. They are coming from their family, their teacher. They are asking good questions, get more and more information. After.
And what was the behavior of Pakistani students?
They are like brothers. And most of them, they are saying we are brother countries.
Okay.
Also, we have some things when we offer our traditional colonia. It's a kind of perfume. They like the idea because I think they love to see something from the Islam.